Kathaka Sanhita. Unveiling the sacred verses and profound wisdom of the Krishna Yajurveda. The Kathaka Sanhita, an essential division of the Krishna Yajurveda, offers a rich tapestry of sacred verses, rituals, and philosophical insights. This article delves into the depths of the Kathaka Sanhita, exploring its composition, unique structure, ritualistic significance, and its enduring impact as a repository of spiritual knowledge. Brief overview. Situated within the expanse of the Krishna Yajurveda, the Kathaka Sanhita beckons seekers to traverse the realm of Vedic knowledge and spiritual wisdom. This collection of hymns and verses, characterized by its unique arrangement, provides a gateway to the profound relationship between ritualistic practices and the quest for self-realization. Composition and structure. The Kathaka Sanhita is renowned for its distinctive arrangement of verses, marked by its tripartite structure. It consists of 3 parts, the Karanavat, the Madhyamavat, and the Uttaravat, each encompassing distinct themes and sections. This structure allows for a comprehensive exploration of rituals, teachings, and philosophical insights. Ritualistic significance. At its core, the Kathaka Sanhita imparts detailed insights into rituals and ceremonies. It delineates the procedures, mantras, and symbolic actions that characterize these rituals. The Sanhita serves as a guidebook for practitioners to engage in precise rituals, emphasizing the sacred connection between the individual and the cosmic order. Philosophical contemplations. Beyond its ritualistic focus, the Kathaka Sanhita delves into profound philosophical inquiries. It engages with themes of creation, the nature of reality, and the relationship between the finite and the infinite. Through its verses, seekers are invited to explore the deeper dimensions of existence and the interconnectedness of all beings. Unity and cosmic harmony. The Sanhita's teachings underscore the Vedic belief in the unity underlying all diversity. It emphasizes the harmonious interplay between rituals, philosophy, and the realization of cosmic truths. The Kathaka Sanhita guides practitioners towards recognizing the interconnectedness of the inner and outer worlds. Contemporary relevance. In the modern age, the Kathaka Sanhita continues to inspire seekers, scholars, and spiritual aspirants. Its teachings remain relevant, offering insights into the synergy between rituals, philosophy, and the journey of self-discovery. It encourages individuals to find balance between the material and spiritual aspects of life. Conclusion. The Kathaka Sanhita stands as a treasure trove of sacred verses and spiritual wisdom within the Krishna Yajurveda. By immersing ourselves in its unique structure, verses, and philosophical insights, we embark on a profound journey of understanding the intricate dance between ritualistic practices and self-realization. The Sanhita serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards cosmic unity, self-awareness, and the eternal quest for unraveling the mysteries of existence.